Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Let's see what messages want to show through for you today, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aqua gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading and welcome in all my subscribers, my newbies. This is just a small little love bite. Your longer readings have already been put up. More are coming. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the cards I have on the table right now are the Two of Pentacles, King of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Ten of Wands, Three of Swords, Page of Wands, Ten of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Overlying energy of this reading under my deck is the King of Pentacles in reverse. So somebody is not feeling very grounded here in a connection. Let's see why that is. So from the overview that I'm getting here, Aquarius, is somebody really does want to take action, but they are kind of going back and forth in their mind. They don't know how to kind of maybe emote or say what they want to, and things are really stagnant at the moment. Somebody is really, really overburdened and stressed out about how to kind of heal the situation now. There has been no, I think, interaction or messaging because something may have ended very badly here. There's like a betrayal or ending. Somebody's feeling as if, there is no chance of revival here. But somebody does want to move towards their partner now with an apology or some communication or a sorry or something like that. But they're finding it rather hard to do so from what I see. Let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards here, Aquarius, and see what's going on here. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they had to say something to each other. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. And let's take a couple more from here. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. And I'm going to take a couple more from here as well. Aquarius and their person spirit. Last card. Thank you. All right, Aquarius, we're good to go. Let's begin. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. See, I told you somebody had a bit of a trouble in expressing their emotions here. Maybe they did feel love, but they covered it up. They were always kind of hiding their emotions. So they're saying, yes, you were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same way, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. Self-worth issues. Yes, somebody is showing up as the Knight of Wands here who's a bit immature here. And maybe they felt or they feel now that what do? I can't step up. I can't tell them. I can't believe that I can never get it right with my partner. The endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you that I don't see anything back from you in return. So maybe their partner has been trying to kind of be the person who's always been giving in this connection and not receiving because their partner's always been holding back. Maybe they had self-worth issues, maybe they never felt good enough, maybe they felt a bit immature compared to their partner and hid their feelings. I have moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I have chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. It's almost like their partner has now kind of given up on them. Saying, hey, listen, I haven't written you off, but I feel that now, after giving of myself so much and never receiving anything back, I think it's time for me to take a step back now and heal myself. And not that I don't care for you or I've written you off, but I really, because you've never done it in the past, even now I really don't expect that you'll actually come forward and give that apology or say what I want you to say or step up to the plate now. So it's almost like giving up energy on this King of Cups partner's energy. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we have a romantic and sexual relationship. I will never forget the day I met you, and I will always remember the day that I loved you, for they are one and the same. I dream that I will wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each day. So maybe there's some separation going on because I have a feeling there is a masculine energy here who, even though they have love in their heart, they kind of emotionally manipulated their partner, were a bit immature, never stepping up to the plate, and the partners finally kind of become tired. They're saying, hey, I do love you, but, I have to look after myself as well. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. I have an addiction. This addiction could be anything, could be an addiction to their partner, could be alcohol, could be drugs, could be whatever. But this person is saying, I have an addiction. Maybe it's about self-worth. Maybe they don't feel good enough. Or maybe they have a problem in their throat chakra and they can't, express their emotions. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. So the feelings are there, but I think they've never really been expressed. I do see a masculine here who's feeling very ungrounded here, who's not feeling at par or able. So I think that's the reason of the stagnancy at the moment. Let's clarify these cards and see where we're going. Two of Pentacles and the King of Cups, Spirit. Two of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Two of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Yes, things have really unbalanced between the two of you now. Things have not been right between the two of you. And this King of Cups now is going back and forth in their mind as to how now to speak up. They want to speak up and maybe come forward and give that apology, but right now they're a bit afraid, I think, because they feel their partner is the Queen of Swords in reverse, which means that somebody may be very upset, very angry, maybe very distant or very cold. So somebody is like a little worried as to how to come forward, and because now things have, I think, become quite messy in the situation. So they're thinking about it, but they're a little worried because things are now kind of stagnated between the two of you, with the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, some things have come out in the open, and things have really stalled between the two of you right now, and the King of Cups, whoever this person is not being able to maybe listen to their intuition. They don't know how to speak, they don't know how to bring forth that apology. I think they're a bit afraid to move forward because they think things have already now kind of been disrupted to a point where their person is very upset and angry with them. So Knight of Wands, Spirit, Knight of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Two of Pentacles again. One more, Nine of Wands. Oh my God. Okay, so somebody does want to take action here. Somebody does want to take action, but they are sitting in this same energy of, how should I do it? Can I do it? Will I be able to do it? Will my partner lower their defenses? If I do make a effort to go towards them. This person is, I think, sitting in so much stress and worry. They are going through every scenario in their own head. If I go towards them, this will happen. If I say this, that will happen. And they're feeling a little lost and abandoned and left out in the cold. And but the point is that they feel burdened by the fact that, how do I apologize? How do I go towards my person? They do want this heartbreak to end. They do want this heartbreak to end, but little in their head right now, overthinking the situation. Why? Because now they are feeling like ungrounded, left out in the cold, feeling that their partners left them alone, hoping that maybe their partner can drop their defenses, or if there is any possibility of this fight ending. This person is still a bit immature right now and is not being able to make up their mind or come to some kind of a decision as to what to do. So I don't think they're doing anything to get this wheel of fortune to move in a correct direction. They still haven't figured out how to move forward. Page of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Yes, like I said, they feel their partner is not interested anymore. They feel their partner is no longer interested, will no longer be interested in talking to them or messaging them, or there'll be no point in sending a message, because they feel their Queen of Pentacles, who is no longer interested in them anymore, has already moved away from them, already moved on to a brand new journey for themselves, and all they can feel is now this way. It's over, and it's ended. Ten of Swords, Spirit. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. I think the enlightenment is there. They've kind of come to that epiphany that they've lost the love of their life. They've lost their Four of Wands now, their home or their marriage or a potential for a long-term happiness, and they've lost the love now. Things have really come to an end, and this is a realization I think this person is having, and that's why all these regrets and overthinking and stress is happening. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Again, same thing. This person is very confused. They're just sitting there feeling like a loser, feeling I've lost now, I've lost my person. Maybe they were trying to play some kind of game earlier, but even though they want to now maybe apologize or ask for a reunion now, they think their partner is not going to allow it. Too much time has gone by. This person is sitting in their confusion, they're sitting in their heartbreak, they're sitting in this feeling of loss. They feel whatever game they played has backfired on them now. So anything else, Spirit, for Aquarius or the person? This could be the cross watcher, Aquarius. Aquarius. Yes, they know their own faults. They know that the reason that these wishes never came true, or they didn't have what they wanted because they were immature, maybe they were not grounded, showing up as the King of Wands and Pentacles in reverse and the Knight of Wands. So this is like a childish, immature energy. They're realizing everything that they've done, and they're also now realizing that they've lost the best thing that ever happened to them. Yeah. One more, Spirit, for the King of Pentacles. This person is very, very confused. I'm sorry. They are trying to think of every scenario possible to try and have a restart. But they know that their past actions speak louder than words. Even though they want to now show themselves as the King of Pentacles, somewhere they feel that this chapter of their life is already over. They're just overthinking in their mind to say, should I go and have an argument with them, trigger them into a reaction? Should I go and show them love? Should I go and show them passion? Should I go across and say, hey, now I'm the King of Pentacles upright. I want to take action now. But somewhere deep in their heart, I think they already know that this connection is over and out, and they'll have to really put in a lot of effort. I think they'll have to embody all these things to be able to even try. But right now, instead of apologizing, this person is feeling a bit sorry for themselves. This is almost like somebody feeling like a victim. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, take care. Love and light. Namaste.